And welcome to channel. Today I'll show you how you can use the Waze application without your hands by the voice commands. So at the start we have to open the app info of the Waze and grant a microphone permission. Then, if you don't have enable a Google Assistant, go to the settings, tap on the Google, and settings for Google Maps, the last option. Now go to the search assistant and voice and choose Google Assistant. Then look for the Hey Google and switch it on. And now, Hey Google, let's start navigate in Waze application.
Here's what I found on...
Hey Google, let's navigate in Waze application.
Opening Waze.
And how you can see, now you can control the Waze application by the voice commands. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.